Hello YouTube, so I do a quick video here. This is the best preppers doomsday setup for either for a base station or something to have as a mobile. And the reason being is because we're combining a handheld with an amplifier. And this handheld can be charged using a USB connector or cable, which means you can buy one of those power banks that people use, and you can charge the battery with that power bank, and you can charge the battery in your car also. So this is that's why this radio is a good doomsday prepper radio. This is the Baofeng UV-K5 Plus tri-band radio. It does UHF, VHF. It's got weather alert frequencies on it. It's got airband, if I remember correctly. And I believe it also has a FM radio capabilities. So you can listen to radio. And like I said, you can charge the battery with a USB-C connector. This radio does 10 watts, 7 watts, and 4 watts. When using an amplifier, you're going to have to put this down to 4 watts. And this amplifier that I'm using is meant for the UHF frequencies. The amplifier is going to be the Btech RT91 or the Retevis RT91. It comes with a microphone, so you can use it as a base station. Then I'm going to offer my little kit here to mount this radio right to the amplifier's bracket. So the bracket that comes with the amplifier, as you can see here, my kit fits over the bracket. So you'll have to get longer hardware. I'll post that in the on the store here website what size screws you need. My kit does not come with the screws, and there's going to be some gluing assembly on this on my bracket here. I'll show you that here in a minute. But at any rate, the bracket, my little bracket goes right over the bracket of the radio or the amplifier. So it's easy to do. And here's the best part of all this. Whether this is a base station or in your vehicle, if you need your handheld, all you got to do, now if you're using a battery eliminator on the handheld, you obviously take that out and put your battery in, but you unhook the cable. I gave enough room here. You can unclip this. We pull off this other cable, and now we got our radio, put our battery in there, put our antenna back on. Now we're set to go. Boom. The bracket stays like that. So this is a better picture of the bracket. Now also, this whole setup will fit in my repeater rack, the one that has the 3 holes. You use the middle hole with the same setup here with the screw. Like I said, I'll post all the hardware information in the description on the ad. This bracket does not come with the hardware, and there's going to be some assembly required. And what I mean by that is to make things easier to ship and to help try to keep the cost down. When you get your bracket here, you're going to have to super glue the sides on. It's really simple. I'm going to quickly show you what I mean here. I didn't do it on here. I mean, I guess technically if you put the bracket on, you don't need to do it. But these sides will be needed liquid super glue. I got them marked. There's a little O, and then there's a little O on there. And obviously with the square pegs, it makes it easy. Liquid super glue, and you can glue these right together or not. I didn't, as you saw, and it was fine. But that's the only assembly you'll have to do if you decide to glue it. Like I said, the hardware will not come with this. You'll have to get the screws at your local hardware store. Not a big deal. But this way, it's easier to ship when it's not fully assembled. So that's the only assembly that's required. Like I said, this will fit in my rack. This repeater rack that has the middle hole on there. So there you are. This is the best doomsday prepper setup with this radio. And I want to show you there. See the USB charge point on there for the battery? So that even makes it better yet, because then you can charge this on the go with a power bank. And that makes this to be a really good prepper's radio. So there you have it. I'll post a link where you can get my bracket here. I'll also post links where you can get the radio and the amplifier. Amazon, I believe, sell both. I'll post those links, and then you can go ahead and get your bracket there. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.